What's going on, family? Welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. And of course, y'all know it starts with coffee. This is my wife's cup because my cups are dirty. But anyway, y'all know there's community coffee in here. The video is sponsored by Community Coffee. So let's get into the video. So we got the box right here, what we're working on. Something simple. We ordered this because we need it for the dually. Y'all can pretty much see what it is. It's a new tank for the radiator. And I thought they was going to send me a top, but evidently they didn't send me a top, which is crazy. So I guess we have to use the old one. We'll show you what's going on with the... Okay, family, so we back on the dually again, and we're going under the hood. So let's get into this. Okay, family, what we have with the old one, we got a hole right here, and this kind of rusty. I might end up trying to buy a new one because I don't like that top. But anyway, it's coming out ready here. It's probably been on here since the truck been on here. So anyway, let's go to work, y'all. So we think we're gonna end this video right here. Y'all seen that was something simple, quick and simple. I needed that radiator reservoir because that one was leaking. So with that said, y'all, I think we're gonna end this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you share, and also make sure you go subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Y'all know what it is. Stay life, baby. Peace. We out of here. Oh, and I forgot, Dooley life. We out of here.